How to hard factory reset the infotainment system on a Hyundai i30, also known as a Hyundai Elantra GT. This is a 2022, so this is going to work for a lot of Hyundais of this time period, of this era. This is going to wipe off all the profiles, all the settings, all the preferences, and get you back. This system is going to be like what it was when it was brand new. So the way we're going to do that is we're either going to go, if we're on this screen, we can hit the settings menu or this setup button. They have different names, but they go to the exact same place, which is this settings menu here. From this settings menu, we're going to hit general, and then from general we're going to scroll down, and if we get to default, I'm going to select default. Now I can either just delete the profile that I'm in and reset it, or if I'm in a guest, I can just reset that guest profile. But if I want to get rid of everything, I can just select reset all, and it's going to take everything off of here. So I'm going to go back to default. It's going to give me a little warning. Are you sure you want to do this? I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. And now it's going to take a little bit of time to do its reset, and then it will be ready to basically set the whole thing up like new. So anyways, if this video helped, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe so you see more videos like this, tutorials, quick tutorials on this car and others.